Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the 15 days of July and how it can move in the coming next 2 weeks of July. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that it is currently trading at around 7.238. Okay, and what we have seen a swing at this particular level with a low of around $5.3, $5.392. Okay, and you have to understand something that if the price comes close to around 5.5 or 5.329, we can see, as it is a weak support, so probability is very high, we can see it can move further down. Okay, before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding that, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, regarding commodities, stocks and forex, you can mail me that. Okay, if you want to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join that too, and please watch the full video so that you can understand this technical how it works. See, suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, as I have already explained you, that whenever it made a high, we have seen a downfall at this particular level. Okay, I am showing a weekly chart where if you look at clearly, what we have seen that whenever it hit a high, we have seen a downfall. If you look, this is for the first time, and then second time, this for the third time, and now what we have seen, a swing is coming at this particular level. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 7.464. okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further ahead towards a level of 8.148. again I repeat, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 7.464, which is already a weak resistance, so probability is very high, we can see it can go to a level of $8.189. and suppose if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can touch a level of $8.5. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, a probability of touching a level of 9.034 is very high once if it goes above that level, because this particular is again a weak resistance, so probability is very high, we can see it can touch a level of $9.517. okay, now I have already explained you that if the market has to go up, it will not go like this, nor it will come directly like this in the down frame. Okay, so it will halt for some time, then it will come up, and in the same way it will halt for some time, then it will come down. Okay, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $6.9, which is again a strong support. Okay, and if this particular support didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 6.8. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.3. again it is also a strong support. So if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further fall towards a level of $5.77. okay, so once this particular level is $6.3, and we can see that it is a strong support, so probability of seeing a bounce back will be there, but a resistance coming at around $7, so we can see again a downfall at this particular level. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain a level of 5.7, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $5.4, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 5.330. suppose if and I've already explained you 5.330 is a weak support, so probability will be very high, we can see a level of $4.5 to $4. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm making a short video so that you can look at carefully and understand how it works. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.